From this point of view, you wouldn't guess it, but the plot is at its most productive at the moment. And I'll show you why in a second. It's definitely earning its keep this year. Let me show you what I mean. The onions are looking pretty good. These are the sturrons that I grow from onion sets each year. And they're doing okay. The butternut squash plant is definitely doing some business. As you can see, there's this one here and about 5 or 6 others dotted around within the plant itself, and we'll be checking those out later on in the year. These are the dwarf French beans, and as you can see, I'll be taking some of these today. Lovely stuff. You dig around, you can find bunches and bunches of French beans. They're in here somewhere. This is the courgette plant. There's one small one there, but I did take 4 bigger ones earlier on in the week, and as you can see, we've got more flowers developing, and these are going to be future courgettes, fingers crossed. Believe it or not, the leeks are fattening up. Come winter, these guys will be ready to pick. But they're still a way off. He's looking quite good though, this one here. What I didn't show you in the last video were the grapes. And we've got bunches and bunches of grapes forming. On the grapevine, as you can see. Look at that, it's not bad, is it? There we go. Although they're green at the moment, they are a red skin variety, and later when they do ripen up, I'll do a taste test for you. The vine is enormous. It scrambles through this rosehip bush that I've got here at the top of the plot. It's too big to take in at the moment. But as you can see, El Vino, my friends, El Vino. One of the 4 sunflowers. About 5 foot tall, this one. This one, however, is a bit further along. And here we can see the sunflower head forming. Won't be long now. And on to this one here. There we go. The French climbing beans. Still got some climbing to do. But we've got flowers, which will mean beans soon enough. There you go. Snaking their way up to the top. And this particular squash plant is very exciting because it's produced the first Japanese squash, which we're going to take a look at in more detail later on in the year. So I've got this one, and then that one there. And then if we have a wander up, that little jobby there. And then finally, where is he? Number 4. So I'm really excited to see how these guys turn out. The neighbour's lavender plant is looking tremendous. And the bees, as you can see, are loving life. Really spectacular bloomage on this one. The old fuzzy bums are getting stuck in. The flowers are adding a splash of colour. Dianthus. If I knew what they were, I'd tell you. More Dianthus. Violas. And my swamp lily. Just starting to bloom. And as the tree lily is in full bloom, let me just show you some of the flowers. Mr. Scarlet Lily Beetle there. Your days are numbered, my friend. Enjoy the last moments of your life. Look at them. Huge trumpet-like flowers. And the scent really is quite strong. What are you? What are you? Resting on that. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for the tree lily. The runner beans have put on weight, so much so we've got a few beans forming, some smaller ones here. I think my dad's been up to the plot and taken some of these because there were way more on these plants a couple of days ago. There we go, some there. Smaller ones tucked away. Parsnips are looking good as well. Obviously I won't be pulling these until December time. Let's see if we can see any shoulders on them. Oh, there we go. A future parsnip. Move across. A patchy row of carrots. And then the beetroot. Let's have a look, see if we've got any decent sized beetroot. Couple there. Not very big at the moment, but definitely something to go at. I need to get up here and trim the whole plot. It's gone mental. And I think I'll be doing that after work tomorrow. Just before I sign off, the little James Grieve apple tree. Guess what? Has apples. I should take better care of this poor apple tree. It's always kind of forgotten at the back of a plot here, but every year it does pump out quite a few apples. Alright, that's it from me. I'm just going to pick a few runner beans, French beans, and then head off home. If you've enjoyed this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, share it around, subscribe to the channel because that always helps, but most importantly of all, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now. What in the ass? What is Mr. Pigeon doing up here? Cheeky bugger's just flown into the plot. I think he might be... There we go. What are you doing, Mr. Pigeon? Where is he? There he is. Do not be taking any of my veg, my friend. And he's off. Destined to return as soon as I leave the plot. Bugger.